Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your brother Money Profit, 144K, man, back again with another video. As usual, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go like and subscribe to the channel. For all my OG subscribers, man, I'm almost at 600. I need one more subscriber, then I'll be at 600 subscribers. I appreciate y'all for subscribing to the channel, man. It's keeping my channel alive, man. Road to 1K, almost there. I need 400 more after this. So, other than that, man, I'm about to install this cabin air filter. I'm gonna show y'all where it's at. Pop this hood. Should be in the middle. Set this down right here. You see these clips right here? Should be two clips. One right here, one right there. So you're gonna just pull those up. Boom. There you go. Move that to the side. And then here, this is where your cabin air filter sits. Mine is really old. I haven't replaced it in 3 years. So you're supposed to do it like every 30,000 miles. So it's been like 60,000 for me. And it has the original Mopar in there. So I'm not sure if they ever replaced it or just bought a new Mopar one, but this one is old. See all the dust and stuff in there. You just slide it up. See how I just slid it up. See where it's at. This is where it's at. There's the little sliders in there right here. So you just want to make sure you put the new one in the same way. So you got the clean side, and you have the dirty side, where all the filter, where all the air sucks in it. So as y'all know, I got my parts from eBay. So this is an eBay part. Actually, if you go to AutoZone or any auto store right now, I keep saying, I don't know why I always say AutoZone. If you go to any auto store right now, this filter is like damn near $30, not even including tax. Right here, you're gonna spend, I literally spent, this is like the best filter that you can get. I got from eBay. It's a standard like cabin, I forget what it is. Let me try to pull it up real quick for y'all. Should be the same. It's gonna be the same for all chargers, and once again, like, it's a carbon cabin air filter. So this is pretty much top of the line. So premium charcoal carbon cabin air filter. This is pretty much top of the line filter. Let's go to this tab again. This is a basic STP filter for $14. You're getting the best, pretty much the best of the best for cheaper. I paid about this price for it right here. I paid $9.98, maybe cheaper plus tax. I'm not gonna show y'all my cart because it's too much information to give them, but so they got the STP Max Cabin Air Filter. You're paying $21, $22 for it, which I don't understand why. It do has 5 stars though. I mean, they all do their job, but you still want to get the best of the best for the best price at least. Obviously, the K&N is going to be better. K&N, if y'all don't know, K&N filters really aren't that good. They suck in too much air. They can suck in particles and stuff like that. You can watch it on like Mythbusters. But just saying, I don't use K&N filters anymore at all. I used to have it on my Dodge Dart, but no. And the last but not least, Frame Fresh Breeze Cabin Air Filter. It has like a little breeze for it. It has a little breeze, or not a breeze. It has a scent for it. And the scent only lasts for so long. After probably about a week or two, it'll probably be gone. From what I hear and see on the reviews. Other car reviews as well. This is a $28 filter. I would not waste my money on that. Just saying, but this is what the price that you're looking at, $39. And the reason that these are the prices that they are is because you're paying for the convenience that it's already at the store. This is why everything is that price. Now, if you order it, like you see here, you're going to pay less because it's going to take you about 3 to 5 days to get your order in to your house. So I'd rather wait for this than go into a store, pay a tax, pay $5 more or $10 more plus tax on top of that. So, I mean, you're getting the best out of your money. And the K&N filter is the same amount of money on here. You're gonna spend your money on K&N, but I don't recommend K&N. They even giving up. Somebody's even giving up a brand new air filter, airbox, or your regular premium air filter plus your cabin air filter. So I mean, you're getting deals on here all the time. Well, $21, but your plus tax is almost $30. I got this filter for $8 on eBay. I waited like 4 days to get it. I'm not in a rush to get it. So once again, this is why I get all my parts on eBay. This is a carbon filter, so I'm just like the best filter that you can get for this car. Just go ahead and open it up. Just go ahead and open it up. It should have some instructions on there. See, just make sure you follow that arrow. This means this is the clean side. So this side right here is the clean side. This is where the air is going to suck in at. So make sure you put this in exactly like this, exactly how I'm putting it. Pull that up. Just gonna pull that up and then put it in there like that. That's pretty much it. And once again, make sure your arrow is facing right here. That's what the arrow is for, direction. So your air is sucking in from right here, and your clean side is on this side. So it even has an arrow on the, if you can barely see it. Try to zoom in a little bit. It even has an arrow right here for you. So you know you need to make sure the filter goes in that way. So all you do is close it. It snaps on by itself. I said by itself. Just gotta push it down. That's pretty much it. That's all you do. Just gonna put this other piece on that you put to the side. And on here, just to let y'all see, you got 3 clips. Boom. Just make sure you slip those clips in back in the slits. Try to zoom in. You can see the little slits. See that? A slit right there. A slit right there as well. And those slits or little gaps. And just press down. And that's pretty much it, man. Toss that in the trash. Normally I would use your mechanic. Your mechanic is very expensive for some reason to change your cabin air filter. It says $100 to change it, including labor, tax, part, and all like that. So this is another part I use, is repairpal.com. I'm not gonna click on the website, but this is pretty much what you would pay. Sorry, my kids in the back. This is what you pretty much would pay, between $69 and $76. Labor cost $26. Price $42 for the part, which I don't know why. This is easier to replace it yourself. This literally, you open the hood up and it's right there at the left corner. So I don't understand why anybody would charge somebody to replace their cabin air filter. I don't give a damn how old you are. You should be replacing this yourself if you have a Dodge Charger. But that's it, man. And that's pretty much the end of the video. Once again, I'll put my link in the description where I got it from eBay. And tax was like less than $10. Other than that, pretty simple install. Take about 3 minutes tops. This is like carbon air filter 101. It's pretty simple. This is like one of the easy ones that I've seen this far, at least. Other than that, the reason that you want to change this is because you might, the person, whoever was watching this, you might have allergies, or you might feel yourself getting sick, or like a stuffy nose every now and then. And it might be because you have a dirty cabin air filter. So make sure you replace that. It's a simple, cheap fix. I'm going to see what the shop charges to replace it. They probably charge you like $30 for it. On top of the parts, $30, and on top of that, they charge me for labor for it. So, other than that, man, I'm gonna put that in the middle of the video as well. So just a little bit on the lookout for that. But if you're new to the channel, once again, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. It's your brother Mike Crockett. 140K, I'm out.